I'm going to show you how to tie the single fisherman's bend, or the English knot. This knot is a great way to attach two ropes of similar diameter that holds very well, and it's easier to take apart than the double fisherman's bend. You start off by, doesn't matter which way you start, but I'll start with the left hand. You tie the knot with the loop under here, and you simply pull this through, and I'm going to leave the tail short just for demonstration purposes so this doesn't turn into a mess. And we've got a simple overhand knot there. Then the right hand, we pass the running end through the hole here, and now we go over here, and then we come around just like that. Looks complicated, but it's just literally two overhand knots. And now we pull both of the knots tight, and when they come together, they should mate together like this. This is the ideal structure for the single fisherman's bend. And the more you tighten it, the more it stays tight. This is a very easy knot to tie when your hands are cold and wet, because all you have to do is tie two overhand knots, and it's very easy to take apart, unlike the double fisherman's bend, because that bad boy, once you crank it down, it's hard to take apart, because you can easily work these two lines apart. Once you need to take this apart, it's easy to do. Now do be aware that when you tie these two together, if you go the opposite direction, and I'll show you this, instead of going over, we go under, and it's very easy to mess this up, where I change the other direction, but now I pull these two together, and you'll see that the knots don't mate correctly. You can see that they kind of warp a little bit. That's not as strong, but arguably it'll probably hold just fine, but you can see the knot kind of twists when you're pulling on the ropes. Compare that, so watch the knot twist versus if I pull this apart and I use the other direction, opposite, and it's very easy to mess this up, but it's very easy to correct. And now you see these two pull together, and now watch what happens. Instead of kind of twisting the structure of the ropes, they actually hold together and they bind tighter. So it's very key that you get these two mated together correctly. And that's the way you tie that knot. Knots like this and others are featured in my book, The Most Crucial Knots to Know. Has a bunch of good, fun information for people who love knots, for fishing, survival, sailing, camping, hiking, whatever you want to do. Thank you very much for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe.